Investments in specialized investment funds involve relatively higher risk, including potential loss of capital, liquidity risk, and market volatility. Please read all the investment strategy related documents carefully before making the investment decisions. I've taken more than 30 seconds to say it for sure. From an investor's perspective, I'll say, क्यों करना है? If I'm getting more return, तो ठीक है. Otherwise, why do it?
A lot of investors have different risk profiles, right? And this is a product which is catering to a slightly evolved, somebody who's been investing for 20, 25 years in mutual funds for that can look at these in a far graded manner than they used to.
I believe that there is a greater exposure that these funds can take in REITs as well. For instance, REITs in REITs. Anything you want to add?
All those exposures have doubled. I mean, 20% we can go up to. And that's why the flexibility on redemptions.
Yes.
Some of the underlying assets need not be as liquid as we have to take on the mutual fund side, because we have to give redemptions on a daily basis. And that gives the difference of flexibility to the fund management. One can dig deeper into these papers and hence aspire to give a higher yield.
When we're looking at investments, 90% of the conversation with our advisor or distributor is focused on return. Milega kitna? So how will, this will have to be dealt with differently, won't it, Radhika?
The greatest tragedy would be if SIF is seen as which PMS was, as a route to, I will get higher return. Actually, SIF is not about that. What's the flexibility you've been accorded in the equity side? It's derivatives. Derivatives may be used to give better risk-adjusted returns. So, if in an arbitrage fund, in mutual fund, I was getting X return, maybe I can use some more sophisticated strategies to get arbitrage plus. Maybe I can get an equity-like return with lower drawdown than equity. But these are nuanced conversations. And we've moved to a world, as I said, where we have this sorting investor. You go to a website and you sort which is rank 1 fund.
Past 3-year return.
No, past 1 year return.
Or past 1 year return.
And I'm saying that is not healthy in mutual funds because all of us have different styles. It's even more unhealthy in SIF